Hello viewers. So in this video we want to know if the Heikin Ashi indicator truly works. So we all know that the rule of Heikin Ashi indicator is that if it is green, it means the market is on an uptrend. That means you should be looking for a buy, and if it is red, you should be looking for a sell. So what you need to do is to go straight to your indicators on TradingView, then search for Heikin Ashi, this particular one, smoothed Heikin Ashi indicator, this particular by Jack VMK. So you add it. Once you add it, you will see it just like this. You see it? You see it just like this. So simply put, it's saying that if this Heikin Ashi indicator is showing green, you should be considering to enter for a buy position. And if it is showing red, you should be considering to enter for a sell position. But our advice, you don't just use this one. You have to go to your major, like a higher time frame. Let's say, for example, 4-hour time frame, to analyze the overall trend of the market. Then you should be looking to take your trades with the overall trend. So currently on the 4-hour time frame on BTC USD, as you can see, and this particular strategy, you can use it on any time frame. So currently you can see on BTC the overall trend is buy. You can see it. It is clear, right, that the overall trend is buy. You can see. So even your Heikin Ashi is showing that here's the overall trend is buy. Though we may have some pullback for sell, but I would advise you just consider buying since it's scalping, and this strategy is meant for scalping purpose only. So I advise you only just scalp buy. Don't sell. You can just look for only buy opportunities. So now let's go to 5-minute time frame. This strategy works perfectly on 5-minute time frame, right? So you see we have some sell here. We are not entering for this sell. Why? Because we already confirmed the overall trend is buy. So now we're waiting for this Heikin Ashi indicator to change to green. After it changed to green, let's say 2 or 3 candles close in green, right? 2 or 3 candles close in green. Then we'll enter for a buy position. So currently you can see we have one. Let me zoom it out. You can see we have one green candle already formed. You see it? One green already formed, but this has not finished forming because it can actually change. See, the candle has not closed yet. So you wait for this candle to close, and if this still remain green, another candle open and it still remain green, then you should consider taking a buy, right? And how do you set your stop loss? Let me go back to, let's use this one, since this has already established, right? So let's say the first Heikin Ashi candle came up. The second one, this is 5-minute time frame. It's just for scalping purpose, not for long time trade holders. Please take note of this. So this is the green first candle happened here. You can see it. This candle. Then another green candle happened here. Closed already, right? You're not entering this trade. For example, if you like, you can enter on the third candle. But you're not entering this trade. You have to wait for this candle to come back to your Heikin Ashi. You can see it around here. To come back and retest your Heikin Ashi. Or you can enter after the close of the second green candle. If it is in a sell situation, you check the overall trend is a sell, then you should be considering entering for only sell position. So, but now we confirm that the overall trend is a buy. That's why we are looking for buy along, right? Okay, after the close of this second candle, then you can enter for a long position here, right? You enter for a long position. Your stop loss would be just below this Heikin Ashi. Just in case the market wants to change direction. We are not 100%, you cannot be 100% perfect in this, but this really works. So your stop loss should be here just in case, because putting a stop loss in any trade is part of risk management. So you just have to put a stop loss. So your stop loss should be here, right? And we say we should enter the trade then after the close of this candle. So let's see how this trade goes, and we should target, you see, you enter the trade immediately after the close of this candle. Your stop loss is here, just below the Heiken Ashi. Then your TP, you can target, let's say, this high. Let me mark it for you to see. You can target this next high, or you zoom. In short, this next high is okay for you. This next high is a short TP for you. This particular case is a short TP for you. Hope you get it. Since we are scalping, it's just a scalping strategy. Don't aim for too higher profits, right? Just target this next high if you're in a buy. If you are in a sell, you target the next low at the other side, right? So you see that this went to your TP. Okay, so now this is 5 minutes time frame, and I want to take a live trade. Let's test the strategy. Though I said immediately after the second candlestick form, we should enter for a buy, since we've confirmed that the major trend is a buy. So it's more like I'm entering this trade late right now. So let's move on to here. Let me take the trade now. So this is BTC. As you can see, this is the around 105, right? Around 105. Normally you're supposed to take this trade on after the close of this second candle. So but I'll just take it, and after you take that trade, your target should be here actually. So as you can see, it has almost got into the target actually. It has almost got into the target, and you can take it on 15 minutes time frame, or 3 minute or 5 minute time frame. Here we are on the 5 minute time frame. Now see how this is how the 3 minute time frames look like, and here's the 5 minute time frame. So if I'm taking this trade, let's wait if the thing will pull back a bit. So if I'm taking this trade, definitely, in order for us to follow our rule, my target will be around the side, right? My target should be just around the side. So let's just take it so that you know that definitely it will go to our target. It will definitely go back to our target, even though we know that on this first run it has gotten to that target, but it will definitely, this one will still go back to that zone or even above, because the major trend is an uptrend. So let's enter for a buy right away. Let's wait for the close of this candle a bit. Let's wait a bit for the close of this candle, or let me just enter, since it's for the purpose of this video. Let's enter buy on BTC, buy, and buy, right? So our TP, we said, should be around here. Remember I said if you want to enter, please, after the close of this candle, we're entering this late. I'm just showing this for example to show you that it really works, right? But not on all strategy are 100%. You know this. Not all strategy are 100%. You can see currently we are in a negative. So let's input our TP, and our stop loss we say should be below the HEIKIN ASHI. So let's just target this TP. Let me input the TP right now. Our TP should be our take profit. That means our take profit will be 105.80. 105.080.34. I hope you can see it. You can see it. So let me just copy it so I can just paste it on other entry. Let's go to other entry, paste, save. Though your TP would have been more than this, but because we entered it, I'm not advising you to enter it, please. Once you missed any opportunity, do not enter the trade. Wait for another opportunity. I'm entering this just to show you, for the purpose of this video. We're not supposed to enter that, right? So our stop loss now, we say it should be below here. You can see this place. So our stop loss will be below the Heiken Ashi. You can see currently we are in positive. So let's put our stop loss. It's very important, just in case. So our stop loss will be 104,652. 104,652.49. You can see it on the screen. This line, where this line is right now. So you copy and paste if you entered multiple position, right? So let's see. Oh, and we go back and copy it. Our stop loss, copy, then paste on this entry, paste, copy, and then paste. So now we'll be waiting for a TP. So try this on your demo account, please. First, after maybe like 1 week, you can now try it on your live account. And don't forget to always put your stop loss. Like I told you, not all strategy are 100% perfect. Anybody that tells you that a strategy is 100% is lying. There's no strategy that's 100%. So you can see this is going up. So we're just waiting for it to hit our TP, right? And once you get your TP, please do not re-enter again. Wait for another opportunity. Once you get your TP, do not re-enter the market again, because there will definitely be a pullback, right? There will definitely be a pullback. So it's just basically it's just scalping. Just once you hit your TP, you go out of the market and wait for another opportunity. I hope you wait for another opportunity. Then you take the trade. And it's not like you must wait for it to hit your TP, for example. Even if it gets to a profit that you think is okay for you, you can actually just get out of the market. And don't forget, you can also always move your stop loss to break even. What do I mean by break even? You entered around, let's say, this zone here. Let's say you entered around this zone after the close of this candle, right? Let me use a green so you can see it very well. After the close of this candle, then immediately you are in profit. Your stop loss was around here, for example, right? You entered around this zone. So immediately you are in profit. This is your stop loss. Let's make the stop loss red. So immediately you are in profit, you move your stop loss to this entry zone. So that means it is a risk-free trade. I hope you get it. That means it's a risk-free trade. So now you can see how this market is moving. Don't forget, I told you not all strategies are 100%, right? Not all strategies are 100%. Any person that tells you that a strategy is 100% is just lying, right? So now let's wait for this to hit our TP. Let's wait for it to hit our TP. You can see the balance on this account is 3,680. So once this gets to our TP, you will see that we are up with $352 right now. You can actually decide to close this trade. It must not get to that your target TP. Once you are okay with what you have, you can just decide to just close the trade. You get? So if you want to move your entry, your stop loss to your entry point, like you can see on the screen now, our entry point was around 104,901. This third one. This other one is around 104,905. So you can just move your stop loss to, you can see now we're in profit of $423. We're in profit of $423. There is a kind of pullback a bit. So let's check the charts. You can see this is the charts currently. This is the charts on BTC. This is our SL because we didn't enter very well early. That's why you can see this long SL. Normally, if we enter your SL should be shorter. If we enter early, your SL should be shorter. This will definitely go to the TP, but in order not to waste our time, let me pause this video, and once it gets to the TP, I will come back to this video.
A few moments later.
So you see how this hit our TP? You can see now our balance is 4,199. You see how it's run to hit our TP? I hope you get. So this is how this strategy works. Kindly try this, like I said, on your demo account. And once you are satisfied with this strategy, you can go ahead and start trying it on your live account. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Follow our Telegram channel where we do drop some signals and market insights also. So see you in our next video.